What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're finally working on this F250. I showed y'all a little sneak peek of it in a previous video, but we're getting ready to do a little bit of changing up on it. If y'all know me, y'all know I can't handle something looking junky, and to me, the light bar on the hood does not look good. So light bar on the hood's got to come off, and I figure since it's already got wired up with a switch and everything, I might as well put some kind of lights on it. So we're gonna put some cubes in the front bumper and take that junk off the hood, and we'll do a comparison on how bright they are before and after. I don't care if they're not as bright. I'm going for looks here, so let's get into that. So this truck is a 7.3 with a 6-speed, which is probably about the only thing I like about it. I got a lot of stuff I want to do to it. I want to build bumpers for it, paint it, tint the windows, mirrors, light upgrade, headlight, grill, all that stuff. So there's a lot I want to do, but it's going to be a little bit at a time. Today, we're going to take that junky light bar off and put some cubes down here. So let's do that. The F250 probably won't never be as cool as that red truck. Oh well. Y'all check this out. So once again, I've teamed up with the good folks over at Superduty on some lights. So let's see what we got here. This is the 3-inch pods. This is something you don't get often. Switches, relays, and a full wiring harness. I'm not going to use it on this project because I've already got all the wiring in for that other light. But as much stuff as I do, I'll definitely put that to use. And this is the pods, 3-inch LED pod. These will look way better than that humongous light bar. So I know these won't be near as bright as that huge light bar, but it's going to look way cleaner, and they should still be bright enough to do what I need to do. So we got all the mountain hardware, brackets, same pretty heavy duty, stainless steel hardware, and the 2 lights. Oh, wow. That's not just a sticker, that's like a badge. That's pretty cool. I like stickers. All right, so I need to go to Super's website, check them out, use code Blake15 for an additional 15% off. Let's get these lights put on the truck. That's a whole lot better. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You got holes in the hood, but guess what? It's too tall, you can't see them. Obviously I need to clean it up good, but That's more my style. I need a chrome grille and some 05 to 07 headlights. That'd be way better. Well guys, I managed to get a little bit carried away and went ahead and took the headache rack and the brush guard off. This thing needs some major cleaning, but it looks a whole lot better. The way it is here. To me, it looks better with no brush guard and no headache rack. And obviously, the light bar off of the hood gives it a lot better look. My LED cubes, I think they turned out pretty good. But here's what we'll do. When it gets dark here in a little while, I got a short video clip of before with the light bar. We'll take it out and compare the light bar and the pod lights and see what the difference is. All right, so there's just my regular headlights on dim. There we are on bright. And then there's no denying that the light bar lights the world up. There's the light bar by itself with no headlights. There's my headlights on bright. So the light bar is pretty dang good. It's really bright.
2 days later.
There we are, regular lights on bright. There we are with the cube lights. So not quite the distance the others had. So there, let's do no headlights. That's just the cube lights. There's my high beams. So still can see pretty good. So, oh, and a lot more visibility right here. Before, that light bar was all in the way right here. So overall, it's way better. All right, guys, so there you have it. Lights installed, works way better. Stick around and we'll do more to this truck coming up. Like I said, it'll be a little bit of progress at a time, but come back and see us and we'll do some more. See y'all on the next one. Thank you for watching.